Strong performance, reliable stitching, and long-lasting durability make mechanical sewing machines a favorite for beginners and experienced sewists alike. Best mechanical sewing machines deliver precise control, straightforward operation, and dependable results for everything from simple repairs to creative sewing projects. Here are the top models that combine value, quality, and everyday versatility. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Serger Accessory Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Serger Accessory Mechanical Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for sewists who appreciate a blend of classic styling and dependable performance. Featuring a vintage-inspired design, this machine brings a timeless look to any sewing space while offering modern conveniences that make sewing easier and more enjoyable. Its built-in needle threader simplifies setup by reducing the frustration of threading the needle manually, while the one-step buttonhole feature helps create professional-looking buttonholes with minimal effort. Whether you are working on garments, home decor projects, or simple repairs, this machine provides the versatility needed for a wide range of sewing applications. One of the standout features of this model is its powerful motor, which delivers significantly more piercing power than many standard sewing machines. This enhanced performance allows it to sew through thick fabrics such as denim, canvas, upholstery materials, and multiple fabric layers with confidence. Users who frequently tackle heavy-duty projects will appreciate the machine's ability to maintain consistent stitch quality even when working with challenging materials. The added strength also reduces strain on the machine, contributing to long-term reliability and smoother operation. Customization is another area where this machine excels.
Number 4. Serger 6600C Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Serger 6600C mechanical sewing machine offers an impressive combination of versatility, convenience, and sewing power, making it a strong choice for hobbyists and experienced sewists alike. Designed to handle a wide variety of sewing projects, this machine comes equipped with 100 built-in stitches that provide access to 215 stitch applications. From basic garment construction and mending to decorative stitching and creative craftwork, the extensive stitch library allows users to explore numerous techniques without needing additional equipment. This flexibility makes the machine suitable for fashion sewing, quilting, home decor projects, and everyday repairs. A major advantage of this model is the comprehensive accessory package included with the machine. Multiple presser feet, bobbins, needles, spool accessories, and maintenance tools provide everything needed to start sewing right away. The included zipper foot, buttonhole foot, blind hem foot, satin stitch foot, and button sewing foot allow users to tackle specialized tasks with greater precision and efficiency. Having these accessories readily available adds value and eliminates the need for immediate aftermarket purchases. Performance is another area where the Serger 6600C shines. Number 3. Brother ST371 HD Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371 HD Mechanical Sewing Machine is built for versatility, durability, and ease of use, making it an attractive option for beginners and experienced sewists who need a dependable machine for everyday projects. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative options, utility stitches, and an automatic one-step buttonhole, this machine provides enough variety to handle garment construction, alterations, quilting, home decor, and craft projects. The thoughtful selection of stitches allows users to tackle both practical and creative sewing tasks without feeling limited. One of the most convenient features is the automatic needle threader. This system helps guide the thread through the needle eye quickly and accurately, reducing eye strain and saving time during setup. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin further improves ease of use by providing smooth thread delivery and allowing users to monitor bobbin thread levels at a glance. Together, these features make sewing more efficient and less frustrating, especially for beginners who are still learning machine operation. The ST371 HD is designed with heavy-duty sewing in mind.
Its strong construction allows it to work with a variety of fabric types, including denim, canvas, and thicker materials commonly used in home decor projects.
Number 2. Serger Buttonhole Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Serger Buttonhole Mechanical Sewing Machine is a dependable, heavy-duty model designed for users who need strength, speed, and versatility in a single package. Built to handle everything from simple alterations to demanding sewing projects, this machine offers 23 built-in stitches that provide 97 stitch applications. These stitch options include basic utility stitches, decorative patterns, stretch stitches, and functional sewing techniques that allow users to work on garments, crafts, home decor items, and repairs with confidence. The variety of stitch applications makes the machine suitable for both beginners learning the fundamentals and experienced sewists looking for reliable performance. One of the most appreciated features is the automatic needle threader. Threading a sewing machine can often be frustrating, especially for users with limited vision or those who frequently change thread colors. This built-in system helps guide the thread through the needle eye quickly and efficiently, reducing setup time and making sewing more enjoyable. Combined with the clearly marked threading path, the machine is easy to prepare for use. Performance is where this model truly stands out. Equipped with a powerful motor that provides significantly greater piercing power than many standard sewing machines, it handles thick fabrics and multiple layers with ease.
Number 1. Brother Serger Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Brother Serger Mechanical Sewing Machine is a specialized sewing solution designed for users who want professional quality seam finishing, edge trimming, and garment construction. Unlike traditional sewing machines, this serger is built to create clean, durable seams while simultaneously trimming excess fabric, making it a valuable tool for sewing enthusiasts, home garment makers, and small business users. Its sturdy metal frame and quality internal components provide the durability needed for regular use while maintaining smooth and consistent operation over time. One of the most impressive features of this machine is its ability to operate as either a 3-thread or 4-thread serger. This flexibility allows users to choose different stitch configurations depending on the project requirements. Whether creating strong seams for activewear, finishing raw fabric edges, or constructing garments from start to finish, the machine delivers professional-looking results. The ability to handle multiple layers of fabric, including denim and other heavier materials, further enhances its versatility. Speed is another major advantage. Capable of sewing up to 1,300 stitches per minute, the Brother 1034D significantly reduces project completion time. That wraps up our picks for the best mechanical sewing machines. Whether you're tackling everyday repairs, crafting projects, or learning new sewing skills, the right machine can make every task smoother and more enjoyable. Compare the features, choose the model that fits your needs, and start creating with confidence.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.